Good morning, everybody. My name is Asma Hafiz, and I'm the General Manager of Vital Cybersecurity Operations Center. Today, we are going to give a demo to one of our clients, NG Enterprise. I have Nazish and Hamid with me. They're both my colleagues. Nazish will act as an attacker and will launch a brute force attack on NG Enterprise's computer systems. The Splunk forwarder installed in the NG Enterprise's computers will forward the logs to our SIEM, and the Splunk installed in our SIEM solution in VitalSoc Center will monitor those logs and will alert the IR team, and IR team will follow the IR plan.
Good morning, my name is Hamid Vikas and I'm one of the SOC analysts and cybersecurity engineer at VitalSoc. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to install Splunk Forwarder at our client NG Enterprises computers. So all the logs file will be forwarded to our SIEM solution, our security operations center, and then we're going to monitor these computers from our cybersecurity operations center. So you can see in my screen that I'm on my client's computer. First of all, I have to show you that there is a FTP here. FTP means there is a share folder here that the staff member can access remotely. If they're most of the organization, if the different staff member working on a project, they have to create some share folders and have to access remotely. So how to check FTP? I have to press start, go to control panel, and then go to administrative tool, and then click on ISS manager. On the left hand side you can see the computer name. Over there you have to press on sites, and you can see here there is already FTP created. Its name is VitalSoc, and it's also creating some log files. So if I press on FTP logging and click on view logs, it will show me the path where all these files are available. So I have to forward these logs by using Splunk Forwarder to our SOC. I will show you how we're going to install the Splunk Forwarder. I already downloaded Splunk Forwarder into this computer, and that's the executable file. I have to click on that file, and then it will run the Splunk Forwarder executable file, so I can install that file onto this computer. Once this window will pop up, I have to press run. I have to click on this license agreement and click on customize option. It will give the path. We can also put any password or here, but I'm going to leave it like this. Press next. Press next. On this screen, you can check how many logs you want to forward. You can monitor security logs, system logs, setup logs, application logs. But for this today's demonstration, I'm just gonna click on CPU load, and also I'm gonna give the path of my FTP logs. The FTP log is generating on this C drive. Click on int hub, then click on logs, and then click on file logs. Just want to make sure that I select the right path. Yeah, that's the right one. Then press next. Over here you can create your own username and password. I'm gonna press VitalSoc and enter the password. When you're creating any password, just make sure that you are making the strong enough password, and also the password that you can remember easily. Press next. I have to leave this empty because I'm not going to forward the log to the development server. Press next. Here I have to put the IP address of my SOC. The IP address of my SOC is 10.1.1.12, and the receiving port is 9997. Press next and install. Once the all the setup will be completed, you will see this file. Press finish, and now the our client's machine will forward all the logs to our scene. I have to come back to my scene. Just put here so see the logo of our company. See this, our logo. Okay. Here I have to go to Splunk Enterprise. I have to click Splunk Enterprise, then go to Setting, then go to Forwarding and Receiving. You can on the receiving data you can see that if that port is already monitored, and if it's already monitored, I don't need to do anything. But if it's not monitored, we have to create it again. I can show you how to I have to delete this one just to show you how we're gonna I will show you how we're gonna monitor that logs that coming from our clients. I have to go to forwarding and receiving and then press add new. Here here I have to put the port number that what the data we are receiving. Yes. So you can see here we are receiving the data on this port. In the next step, one of our hacker, Nadish, she will showing you how we're gonna attack from hacker point of view, and she gonna by using Kali Linux, she gonna attack our client's system. She gonna use brute force attack to access the FTP. So mic is, I will hand over the mic to Nadish Pasha. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Nazish. I am going to launch an attack from Kali Linux today, and I will be using Hydra 2. I have already created the two files, password and login. There will be a lot of the password and login available online, which you guys can see and created on the screen. Now we will go to the Kali Linux terminal. And from the root Kali, we will be just going to write a command, which I already have written, and we are using the Hydra tool. Hydra dash L, capital L, forward slash root forward slash desktop forward slash login dot txt space dash p space forward slash root desktop password dot txt ftp colon forward slash, and then we are going to use the IP address of in this command, we have two parts. One is the login part, and the other one is the password. So basically, what this command is doing, it is just taking the login and the password from the file and taking the logs from FTP to launch the attack on the client computer. Now we press enter to launch the attack. And now the green writing is showing that the attack is already launched, from where they just pick the login, which is admin, and the password is pass at word 01, and the attack is already launched. Now I will hand it to Hamid Wakas, who will be detecting the rest of the attack of brute force.
In this part, I'm going to show you how we're going to create alerts in our security operations center. So we're going to monitor the alerts, the brute force attack. So we can get different kind of alerts in Splunk Enterprise. First of all, I have to go to we have to click on search and reporting, and here we can Splunk Enterprise is a kind of a Google for the logs. So we can put different kind of command to find out what kind of what's going on in the logs. So in this brute force start, I'm going to use the pass. You can press pass here, and then you can click on search. It will search all the logs that have been created here. I'm gonna save this as an alert. So every time this brute force stack will come, it's gonna alert our security operations center team. So you can name the alert here. Then you can put different kind of description. I'm gonna put here vital stock, and over here I'm gonna put in shared app, and we have to search it as a real time. You can also create it that how many you have to create it for hours, for weeks, or for days, for minutes. I'm gonna use it for hours, and then in the result I have to go to number of results, and here I'm gonna do that if some, because sometimes user actually forget the password and username. So if someone forget to put the real username and password, that's not gonna generate any false results. So at least 5 times. If someone trying more than 5 times the username and password, then it's gonna create an alert on our system. You have to put here 60 seconds. You can also add some action that are you gonna email that kind of results, send an email, webhook, different kind of thing. You can put that over there. But today we're gonna just put we're gonna trigger alert, and then we're gonna put it as a high, and then save it. You can see on the view alert that if this alert is created, you can see here brute force attack, vital sock enable, and how it will do, the time 11th of July, and everything. You can see everything here.
Now we are back to our SIEM, and where we have Splunk Enterprise installed. Let's go to search and reporting. Go to activity and click triggered alerts. And here we can see that an alert has been triggered because it's monitoring the logs that are being forwarded from our client's system to our SIEM. And that's how we have shown our client how we are going to protect their system. Thank you for watching our presentation.